So here's a look at that passenger seatbelt stop. It's just a plastic piece. This looks like it's OEM Toyota, and it just holds the buckle up here and keeps it from sliding all the way down there, so that you can easily grab it around the shoulder length or the chest and just pull it over like you're supposed to do. So let me show you the driver's side. You can see how the driver's side just kind of falls down here, really kind of behind the seat almost. And the little stop button is completely missing. And so what I have to do is I have to find where it was actually at, because I don't have it anymore. It's probably under my seat here somewhere, but I'm sure it wouldn't be, probably wouldn't be usable again. So here we go, right here. So it was right there. So here's what I picked up. This is a Dorman product, seatbelt stop kits. Package of 4, interior, and you can see there's 2 pieces to each one. This just happens to be Subaru Toyota, which is what I have, a Toyota. I didn't realize that until I got back. It really didn't matter to me. This is just the one I pulled off the shelf, and they are gray, and it looks like there are 2 different color grays here. There's a light and dark. No real instructions because it's pretty self-explanatory here. You just kind of push the little plastic thumb tap into the hole, and then follow up on the other end with the end piece there, and just push it together. Here they are out of the package now. 2 of each, 2 lighter and 2 darker gray. So it looks like they're held in place just by the tacks. So you got the tack here that you push through the cloth, so it looks like I probably need to start a new hole, and you push that and that'll hold the top part in, and then it snaps in. It snaps into the on the other side of the seat belt, and it looks like there's going to be some sticking out there, so that has to be cut off, I guess, or smashed down with pliers. So anyway, I've got the dark gray color, and it really didn't matter to me, but you know, the OEM here is darker, and I don't know if you can see, but mine is a little bit smaller than the OEM one. So see how good they work here. Okay, before putting it in, I just wanted to point out that you know, you're going to have the end going through, and it may stick out a little bit, you know, or may be able to smash that in. It is plastic. So just raise the buckle above where you're going to put it in at, and here's the old place. You can see the old hole. Well, I don't want to use that again, so I'm just going to go like right above it, I guess. But what I wanted to point out is find out how it's going to rest on you, you know, around your shirt. And I would make that where you, for example, this side here that's resting against my shirt here, I'm going to push it through that way so that it's flat, and it's, you know, it's not going to be catching on my clothes here. So here it is, pushed through. Pretty easy to push through. There's a lot of fabric here, a lot of density, so it didn't just go right through. Did have to push it, kind of work with it a little bit. The backing here was not able to push that on. I didn't hear any snapping, so I'm just going to get some pliers, channel locks here, and push it together, smashing down this little tip here. I guess with the fabric the way it is, all this nylon here, or all the plastic, whatever it's made out of, has to go into the fabric. So let's grab the channel locks here. So here's a look at the plastic stop. The two pieces squeezed together, really smashed together. But as you can see that I smashed that tip down smooth. It's no longer sticking up. It's not pointy. It's not going to be catching on anything. And yeah, you're going to have to use channel locks or pliers or vice grips, something to push these two pieces into the fabric here and squeeze them together and squeeze that tip down. So yeah, that's working good here. I'm not gonna have any trouble with it, I'm sure. Yeah, it's working like it's supposed to do. I'm able to bring it around without it catching on my clothes. I did purchase some super glue gel because I wasn't sure how smooth I was going to be able to get that. So yeah, I mean, dollar store stuff here, gel. That might be something if you squeeze it and it's rough. But I think that's going to be it. That's looking pretty good, so I'm pretty happy with it. Here's a look at the buckle now, hanging like it's supposed to. Stop is keeping it from sliding down. And easy to just grab and pull over and buckle up. So that'll be it, I guess. Again, the product, Dorman seat belt stop kits. 4 in a package. Right around 10 bucks. Yeah, I thought that was a little expensive, but really 10 bucks, that's a bargain considering the nuisance of not having these. And you get 4. So anyway, thank you for watching. Till next time, have a great day out there and take care.